C4 to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Removable transparent smoke top. TPI 5.7 liter, 350 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Classic Corvette color combination with the white exterior, red interior. Take a look at the front nose cone or fascia. Power steering, power brakes, AC. If you want to check out all the still pictures of this car, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. You'll be able to see pictures with the top in, top out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It'll be down in the description. There's a link. Click on it, take you right to our website. And you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome 5-spoke wheels added. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. 63,189 miles on the odometer. Of course, these C4s, a lot of bang for the buck. Want a fun Corvette that handles nice, go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows, get a Corvette without breaking the bank. And there you can see the leather bucket seats, center console with that shifter. Dual power seats. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The brake master cylinder recently replaced in this one too. Wanted to mention that. It appears that the rear hatch struts are new too. We'll click that open and make sure that works. We'll try out the headlights here in just a bit too. I'll start it up, let you hear it run. First, remember, check out all those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the underside, engine bay. Take your time looking through them. See, the paint's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I noticed kind of on the lower portion has kicked up a little bit of tar. Cleaned it up as well as we could. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. It's kind of where it rolls underneath the body. Lines on the underside. But like I said, nice looking car, fun one to drive without breaking the bank. Power windows, power mirror, power locks. Mentioned the power seats on both sides. Of course, leather buckets. Bolster, not too bad as far as wear-wise, considering this is a 1990. That's kind of what you'd expect with the miles on it. Again, a little over 63,000. The easiest way for me to do it is reach in, swire this up. All right, you can see the easiest right there, 63,189. Does have the electronic climate control, AM, FM, CDN cassette. Top of the dash looks to be in good shape. Lights, working order. Trunk release will be on the door, that hatch release, I guess, if you will. Yeah, I thought those were newer struts, so struts working. Lots of times those give out after age, and there you can see the smoked transparent top, how they ride in the nice backly, or in the back nicely. And still have storage underneath for when it is taken in and out. Slip around the back so you can hear this run. Sounds as you'd expect. Again, 5.7 liter, 350 TPI engine. Let me pause this a second. I got to reach in the car. We'll get this hood released and check out that engine bay. All right, hood pop. Of course, the clamshell hood. Nice and clean and tidy underneath there. Here it is, 5.7 liter, 350 TPI, as you can see. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Pretty good shot of the tread depth. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Well, close-ups of the wheels and the tires. Slip around to the passenger side. I'm going to take a peek from over here. And that is paired up with that automatic with overdrive transmission. Please don't get too bad a mileage going down the highway either. And remember, stick around to the very end of the video. I'm going to take this car for a drive, take it out on the highway, let you see how it drives out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. 1990 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. A little over 63,000 miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1990 Chevrolet Corvette in white with red and black interior. We do have a see-through top on this car, which is a nice feature. Digital speedometer, digital fuel gauge. Those are working well. This is showing 63,185 miles currently. It's an automatic on the center console, so it is nice and easy to drive. You have those very functional Corvette bucket seats that cup you well and feel like you're in a cockpit for sure. Good handling in this car, good acceleration. Our tachometer is working well. The oil pressure is about 65. Engine temperature is coming up off of 100 right now. Battery is charging over 14 volts. That's what we want to see. Very eye-catching interior with the red and black. Red carpeting, red door seats. Nice bright. Maybe a blood red. Corners well, as a Corvette should. Modern fuel injection, starts and drives easily. Cruise control functions on this car. Nice feature to have as well. Multi-position power seats. The 4th generation of the Corvette. One of those icons of America. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this Corvette at UniqueClassicCars.com.